Valencia Rose. My name is Valencia, and in today's video we'll be making a sleeveless blazer. I hope you guys enjoy.
First up, I've already cut out my pattern pieces. Okay, one thing I'd like to mention is that I know I could have used more fabric to make the jacket, but I didn't have enough fabric, so that's why I had to cut the pattern pieces in half so that I can cut out the pieces of fabric to combine them for making the whole jacket. This is the jacket facing, and this is the collar for the jacket. And these are the back pattern pieces. I know you might be wondering why I had cut out the back facing for the jacket. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, that was a mistake. These are all the pattern pieces for the jacket, both the front and the back. And these are my lining pieces that need to be ironed. This is where I'll be sewing for the collar pieces. First I ironed the interfacing to the collar pieces. Here I've pinned in the dots for the blazer front pieces, and that is where I'll be sewing, right where I marked with my tracing paper. I've also marked on the lining. These are the pocket pieces for the jacket along with their facings. At the end I ended up switching out the fabric. I don't know what I was doing there, but I just kept patting that pocket piece for no reason. These are the back pieces for the jacket. These are the front pattern pieces for the jacket. I went ahead and pinned the front pieces of the jacket together along the side seams. Next, I pinned in the front facings with the lining. And I'll be sewing these together as one piece, and they'll go inside the jacket. Next up, I pinned in the back pattern pieces for the jacket, and I'll be sewing them together as one piece, making sure to leave a vent in the back of the jacket.
So I just realized I made a mistake. I'm making a blazer and I made a mistake. Guys, I was supposed to leave out a tiny bit of space there for the collar, and I just sewed it. I don't know what I was thinking, but I just sewed the whole thing, and I'm supposed to leave space there to attach to the main collar, and I didn't. And I cut off the simala. I'll make a plan. Bad idea, but it's like a little tiny simala. I'll seam rip there and just sew the collar there. I hope it works out. I just figured out what I'm gonna do. I'll just attach it so that it becomes a wider lapel instead of attaching it there until here. Instead of attaching it until here, I'll just attach it right there so it becomes a wide V. I'm gonna take a break because my brain is not functioning. It's like it's 20 to 8 and my brain is just not functioning. I'm tired. I need to sleep so that I can just be refreshed to know what I'm doing, because if I carry on like this, I'm gonna make lots of mistakes. So I'll catch you guys. Ouch. No. Okay. Hey guys, we are continuing where we left off yesterday. It's now 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I didn't get any work done because I've been feeling kind of lazy. Sorry for the shaky. So continuing where I left off, I'll be dealing with the blazer right now. The back, this is the back part that I'll be sewing, and then after I'll be doing the front, and then attach the collar and then do the lining, and that's what I'm supposed to do. So let's just get to it and just do this. I am seeing the back of the blazer, and I am going to iron this. These are the pinching pieces. This is the lapel.
Sorry for the muted sound here, but the neighbors were cutting grass and it was just a lot going on here. So I pointed out here that I don't like the shoulder and that I will cut off that piece. But so far so good. I liked how the lapel laid, and I'm mentioning where I'm gonna be placing the pockets.
Of the jacket, and I'm just going to sew it right there. So that's what I'm going to do now.
Next up, I'm sewing the lining pieces of the jacket together.
So this is where my pockets right there. And I'm gonna be cutting here a hole and sewing them like this, and then attaching the pocket. I'm done cutting my fabric, as you can see, and I used an X-Acto knife to do it. So you gotta be very careful. I would not recommend that you cut first. Okay, I don't know why I cut first, but it doesn't matter. It won't affect anything. Here I'm gonna stitch right along the middle, and also here along the middle, and turn it to the wrong side. Same with this side. So that's what I'm gonna do now. See, I've already sewed here lines that are parallel to each other. This is where the pocket is gonna go, and it will sit like this. Then I'll attach the raw edge here, and then this also will be a raw edge. I decided to change the pocket pieces. I don't like them and they are too narrow, so I changed them to this polyester lining, and these are big enough for what I want to do, so I like this one instead. The next day, I couldn't finish the project yesterday because it was really late, and this morning we had load shedding, so now it's 2 p.m. in the afternoon and I want to get this done today. I hope I'll get this done today. I have to get this done today. Let's get to it. I pinned in the pocket pieces like so, and I'm gonna sew right there in the middle where I previously sewed for both sides, and then I'm gonna turn it to the wrong side. I pressed the pocket piece. This is a whip stitch to keep it in place. And I had to press it. So now I'm gonna flip it. And you can see just pinned in the front all around.
Flat.
I'm very happy with the results and the color. It's just how I wanted it. And yeah, can't complain.
Here I am sewing the armholes. Next up, guys, I will show you how to do the burrito method. So first of all, the side seams are not sewn, and then I reach my hand to the hem of the side front, and then I pull that corner inside through the armhole to the right side, and then repeat for the other side, and you'll have both sides of your sleeveless garment turned to the right side. And I hope that makes sense. They'll have to look like this after you're done.
So this is how far we are with our blazer. So right now we'll just continue under stitching right here, and then sew the side seams, and then these will be the buttonis.
To be quite honest with you guys, I think at this point I should have just left the blazer and not added the buttons, because I prefer it much like this without the buttons.
I had no idea what I was doing, but it ended up coming out decent, even though it's not perfect and with the upside down cups. But guys, I tried. I didn't know how to sew back then, so I tried. So if anyone would want to sponsor me with some mannequins, I'd be glad. Okay. Yeah.
Here I'm understitching the armholes. And next up, I am doing the buttons for the blazer. I'm using the same method that I used for the pocket pieces. So here I'm showing you how the button will go through the buttonhole, and I'm doing a whip stitch to hold it in place before pressing it. And this is how it looks, and right now I'll mark where I'll place the buttons with my fabric marker, and this is where I'll be placing my buttons. Next up, I'll be sewing the hem for the blazer, and that's it. Basically, we are done. So I just want to take this moment and say thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. We are past 100 subscribers. Woo! Thank you so much for everyone who has supported my channel and liking my videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment in the comment section down below and tell me what you think. I very much appreciate to hear your opinions and thoughts. So thank you to everyone who has supported my channel. Please continue to do so. Thank you and God bless.
Thank you so much everyone for tuning in and watching until the very end. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a single video the next time I upload. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed to my channel. I appreciate the support, and please continue to do so that this content reaches more people. Please tell me what you think in the comment section down below, and we can have a conversation. I would love to hear your opinions, your thoughts, your suggestions, your ideas. God bless. Please take care and see you next time. Bye. Hi everyone. Energy girl. Hi everyone. It's not mature. Hi everyone, my name is Valencia and this is my YouTube channel, and thank you for tuning in. Oh no, okay, please enjoy this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you so much everyone. Okay, enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in and watching. And I thank you everyone for watching until the very end. Please, I hope you guys like today's video. Please share the video with everyone that you know so that we can grow this community.